first best friend was a six string. Took him with me everywhere I go. When I was 18, bought a Dodge van, found a drummer and made the road my home. Ooh, I wouldn't change a thing. It made the man I am today. My roots always keep me grounded. Roots remind me where I'm from, even when I'm 1,000 miles away from my roots. I'm home. Every Friday you can find me at Dixie Tavern playing with my band. We start the show with a round of whiskey, play our hearts out and wish to never end. Ooh, I wouldn't change a thing. It made the man I am today. My roots always keep me grounded. Roots remind me where I'm from, even when I'm 1,000 miles away from my roots. I'm home. Don't give up, hold on a little longer. What don't kill you only makes you stronger. Don't give up, hold on a little longer. What don't kill you only gives you stronger. Roots always keep me grounded. Roots remind me where I'm from, even when I'm 1,000 miles away from my roots. I'm home. My roots always keep me grounded. Roots remind me where I'm from. My roots, even when I'm 1,000 miles away from my roots. I'm home. Don't give up, hold on a little longer. What don't kill you only makes you stronger. Don't give up, hold on a little longer. What don't kill you only makes you stronger. Don't give up, hold on a little longer. What don't kill you only makes you stronger. Don't give up, hold on a little longer. What don't kill you only makes you stronger. Don't give up, hold on a little longer. What don't kill you only gives you stronger roots.